Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I'm not showing my face in today's video, but tomorrow is my husband's birthday, so we are just doing a lot of things. And yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys and also let you guys know that I'm doing this hack with toilet paper and some nail glue and some baking soda, and it came out absolutely amazing. I've done the toilet paper hack in my earlier YouTube days. I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. But I'm doing it again this time, but this time with baking soda and not actual acrylic. So it came out really, really nice. And I'm happy it came out really nice because it actually works. And I love when things like this work. I love hacks that work. It's just amazing to me. And it really does work. So all you need is some toilet paper, some baking soda, and some nail glue. First things first, with doing the toilet paper hack, you want to make sure that the toilet paper is the same size as your nail. If not, you're just going to have to go back in and cut the extra pieces off, as you will see in this video me doing. But all I'm going to do is take some nail glue. Now, this is a process. This is something that you have to be very patient with, because if you rush it, it's going to be all over the place. I was testing out this nail glue with this toilet paper just to make sure it does not catch on fire or anything like that. Well, not catch on fire, it doesn't burn, because we don't want our nails to burn off around here, y'all. But I'm just going in and I'm going to cut them. The glue worked perfect, which is nice. So you'll see me brushing on some nail glue just to make the toilet paper harden. So this actually makes it to where you can do your nails with the baking soda and it not be all flimsy. It actually works. It works great. At first, I started using a pair of scissors, but then I was like, I have tweezers. Why don't I just use tweezers? So I just grabbed a pair of tweezers and started pinching the sides, kind of like if I was doing a dual form, and it actually worked out really, really well. I did not do this in my previous videos. I think I used my fingers or something, but the actual tweezers worked great. And I'm just going to repeat this process on all of my nails. I'm just going to keep going in and just taking my time with it. I'm not rushing, so that way it is coming out really nice and not crooked. You don't want them to come out crooked. Right here, I'm just looking at them from far just to make sure. But I am going to cut them at a length that I like, that feels perfect with my nail scissors. You can use any nail scissors you like, but I love these ones because they have like that pointier edge and I can work with them a whole lot better. But whatever scissors you have will work great. You can even use a nail cutter if that's all you have. And I'm just going to use my brush on nail glue to actually glue it on, and then the other glue to make it hard. I just switch from glues back and forth because I love both of these glues, and they are both from the Dollar Tree. I think one actually, yeah, they should be both from the Dollar Tree. If not, one is from the Dollar Tree, one is from the Dollar General or Family Dollar. But either way, it's from the dollar store.
Sweet concussion, oh, you miss my touching.
Now, I did want to show you guys that these did harden pretty quick, so I was able to go in with the nail file and just shape them up to the desired shape that I wanted. I didn't do all the nails because I didn't want this video to be so long. A lot of you guys like when the hacks are pretty quick and easy and straight to the point, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to just do videos in less than 10 minutes, 11 minutes, around that range of time, so that way you guys don't get bored, because I am one that also gets bored really quick. But I'm just going in with the regular dip method, which is just starting from the free edge all the way up to the cuticle if you're doing longer nails, and then if you're doing a lot shorter nails, you can start from the middle or even just paint the whole nail and dip your finger in, because you're going to want a different type of thickness than the thickness of a longer nail. And always remember that after each dip, you want to dust off your nails. Don't forget this part, because if not, you are going to be ruining your nail glue over and over again, especially if it's a brush on nail glue. If it's just a glue in a tube, you don't have to worry about that. But if it is a brush on nail glue, definitely brush it off, because you will ruin the bristles to the nail glue. I know I say it a lot to you guys, and I say it over and over again, and it gets repetitive, but I see so many of you guys comment it. My nail glue is messed up. I can't use it again. It's a waste of money, and I completely get it. But if you are dusting off your nails, and if a duster brush does not work, you can go in with a toothbrush, because the toothbrush is a little bit harder of a bristle, and it actually gets the baking soda completely off. But once I get done with that, I'm just going to file and shape the nail. I do that with a nail file, so I do it off camera, because I have to have my nails literally in my eyes, and with the camera being in the way, I just do one nail at a time, so I can't really file and buff the way that I want to if I have the camera in the way. So either way, I do double steps. I normally file on camera for you guys and then file off camera, because I need my nails literally in my face in order to get it right. But here I'm just going in with some gel polish. You guys know I do not use, I wouldn't say I do not like it, but I try to steer clear from gel polishes a lot when it comes to these hacks, just because when it comes to gel polish, if you're not doing it right, you can get dermatitis. You can get a bunch of things that can go wrong when it comes to using gel polishes, or anything that doesn't dry completely well when it is a professional acrylic or even a gel polish. So I try to steer clear when it comes to this stuff, because if you use just regular nail polish does not bother anybody unless you're allergic to actual nail polish. So I just try to do nail polish, but a lot of you guys keep asking about gel. Can you use gel? And yes, you can, you guys. You can use gel. This is me using gel polishes, gel top coat, blooming gel, and some striping brushes. So yes, you definitely can 100% use gel polishes. There's nothing wrong with it. And then here I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to make sure I cure it correctly, and I'm going to apply a top coat and some cuticle oil and call it a day. These came out so fun, so festive, so nice. Thanksgiving is coming up, Christmas is coming up, so this was definitely a great design for those holidays. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this design. These definitely work if you take your time and have a little bit of patience with it. They definitely are my cup of tea. I love them. I love the design. I love the shape. I love the length. I'm getting into my era where I'm just loving these beautiful classic nails. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next nail hack coming in a couple of days.
blushing. Oh, you beats my touching.